In this episode of Walking Tours, I will explore how you can transfer between Telok Ayer and Maxwell MRT stations. The fastest train route from Telok Ayer to Maxwell requires one to take the downtown line to Chinatown, then the northeast line to Outram Park, and finally the Thomson East Coast line to Maxwell, which takes at least 3 minutes and an adult fare of at most 95 cents. On the other hand, the walking journey between the two stations is alleged to take about 11 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. For a start, I will make a beeline towards Exit A, which is located on the south of Cross Street, in the opposite direction of episode 9 of Walking Tours, where I walked here from Tanjong Pagar MRT station. I am now travelling westwards along Cross Street. The journey for this episode would involve a walk right next to quite a lot of conserved shophouses along narrow streets. This enables me to take a faster and shorter journey that provides different sceneries from what is typically seen on the main road, though there will be quite a bit of elevation changes as I climb up and down Siang Hill, the hill. For now though, I will cross Telok Ayer Street. There's not much to see here, for I am now walking adjacent to the ventilation shaft of the downtown line train tunnels. I will be staying under this sheltered walkway, as well as previously the footpath on the right has since been repainted into a cycling path, though with a rather unusual yellow paint, for better contrast against the red tiles. Now, I cross Amoy Street using a zebra crossing. Next, I cross Club Street. This is where my path diverges from Cross Street, as I now walk along the northern side of Club Street, in the heart of the western portion of Telok Ayer. This district, together with many in the central area, was earmarked for conservation back in 1986. To save these districts for the historical and architectural value, from demolition in the name of urban renewal, as some other districts were in the earlier post-independence years. I will now rather briefly cross Muhammad Ali Lane. I now find myself in a similar situation as in episode 16, where the sidewalk just ends in the middle of nowhere. Well, technically it continues beneath the 5-footways under the shophouses which mainly house eateries. But given that we are on a slope, and these shophouses are built in colonial times, there will be plenty of uneven staircases to climb through, and a lot of dead ends along the way. Hence, I'll stick to the asphalt. The lack of a proper sidewalk is caused by the very limited road reserve, typical of these streets that were built in colonial times, and the need to accommodate through traffic and these parked cars. It is why there's not enough street space to segregate pedestrians from cars properly with sidewalks. Fortunately, the traffic here is a lot lighter and smaller than the previous time when I walked from Little India to Jalan Besar, which makes this walking transfer relatively comfortable, though you may hear me panting a little as I climb up this relatively steep slope. I'm now traveling down the even narrower Siang Hill the street. You will see me struggle to maneuver within the sidewalk here. I have now reached the intersection of Siang Hill and South Bridge Road, and it will not be long before I reach Maxwell MRT station. The sidewalk is filled with garbage bins blocking my way, so I will stick to walking within the 5-foot way. After crossing Erskine Road, I approached exit 2 of Maxwell MRT station. Now for the long way down. At barely under 10 minutes, I passed the fare gates. This is 1 minute less than the alleged walking duration on the 2022 system map. Would such a walking journey be worth it when compared to the train? I'd say yes. I have now arrived at platform A. With that, we have come to the end of this episode of Walking Tours. This is Transit Evolution signing off.